Ghana Premier League match day 28 abewie results ni nyina wa ha fixtures and a league table Goalking chart no hwan na lady Mukwala hit 10 goals me bro aduana ba akoma Karela ekose omu 2-1 Samatex 1 Great Olympic 0 Bechem United 1 Heart of Lions 1 Nations FC any baby any Gold Stars 0-0 Mediama 1 Kotoko 1 Legon Cities 3 Brekum Chelsea 2 no Kotoko next game Baba Yara on it Legon Cities and ebo details and more ekrame me bro league table no say na Samatex a jumpy 52 master or league now Nations FC pulling your mouth Nations FC pulling your mouth order 45 second position what team ankasa Samatex team aduana third position 42 Insuatre 41 order fourth position Brekum Chelsea 5th Bechem 6 Mediama 7th and Accra Lions at 8 with 40 points. Baby any Gold Stars 9 or 39 points. Legon Cities at a 10th position or 38 points. Kotoko Rini and Obejine Frio. But Kotoko at 11th position with 37 points. House of Folk our standard Wednesday no Obebo or the 12th position with 35 points. Karela 13th position with 34 points. Great Olympics 33 points. 14th position. And Dreams FC all 15 positions. Yes, no. And but for our relegation zone, Heart of Lions, so on a Real Tamale United, and so Goalking chart, and say na Steven Amankuna, Brekum Chelsea, 12 goals. Hamza Isa, 11 goals. Boatin a Free Nations FC 10 goals. Mukwala 10 goals. And Osei Wusu, yes, Osei Wusu Evans Samatex, also 10 goals. Yes, Real Tamale United are brand to be offended Mukwala Muhammad on 9 goals and Aminta